Honestly, keeping a good mindset is pretty difficult if I do say so myself, but I'm going to be giving you guys some beautiful tips and tricks on how to keep a good mindset. All you got to do is continue watching this video. Alright, let's get right into today's video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you guys do not know who I am, my name is Colton C. Merrill. Colton, Merrill, Cole, whatever, Colton, whatever you want to call me. I'm alright, I'm here. I got a new haircut today. I think it looks pretty dope. A little bit. It's a little short, but you know, I'll get used to it, hopefully. I might wear it in the middle. I don't even know. Honestly, it's a new thing, so yeah. Okay, so you clicked on this video to figure out how to keep a good mindset, especially during a time like this with COVID-19 and whatever going on and all that kind of stuff. So let me tell you something about myself. I sadly can't show the videos or the pictures on YouTube, or else I'll get demonetized, and well, I don't want that. So let's just say I might put the picture up and just blur it out. In December of last year, 2019, I believe, yeah, 2019, what happened was I was riding my scooter around. If you guys don't know, I used to ride a scooter. I was riding my scooter on December 25th, Christmas Day, and it was nighttime. It was about 9:30, and I don't remember what happened. I can't remember for the life of me. I face planted on something, doing something, whatever, and I woke up and I was just bloody everywhere, blood literally everywhere. I ended up breaking the front 6 teeth, this bone right here, this bone on the bottom, this bone up here, and my skull on this side, but for you it's on this side. So yeah, I broke pretty much everything in my face. Yeah, so I've definitely had a good time to like have a good mindset and think about this and think about how to have a good mindset and all this kind of stuff. I've also torn my ACL, broken 22 bones now, torn ligaments, pulled tendons, everything that you could even think of. I probably mixed those two up right there, but that's okay, honestly. So yeah, I can talk about a good mindset because I dislocated my ankle, fully dislocated. Doctor said that what I did had never been done before, just because I dislocated it and I didn't break or anything, which is supposed to be impossible, but I think it just honestly made it worse. So yeah, definitely that was bad. I'm still healing from that, and that happened in 2018. So it's definitely been a while. But yeah, keeping a good mindset is really simple if you can just take a few deep breaths, relax, and just enjoy life. Alright? What I do sometimes when I'm stressed, or when I just, you know, today's like a sucky day, I do that 3 times. Maybe I need to do it right now. Just in with the good, out with the bad. You go in with the good, out with the bad. And you do that as many times as you need. Try not to make yourself pass out. Do it as many times as you need. Sometimes 5, sometimes 1, sometimes 100. You know, it could take a long time sometimes. Honestly, once you take a few deep breaths, just remember that you are blessed. You have an amazing life. Yes, I fully dislocated my ankle. Yes, I was in a cast, but I still had both my legs. I could still walk at the end of the day, somewhat. I could still walk. Yes, I broke my face. I still have a face. I can still move my jaw. I can still breathe properly. Even if you can't breathe properly, I'm still alive. Even if, like, no, you can't be not alive and still, like, okay, never mind. You just have to think of the better thing. That's the simplest way to put it. If you were having a bad day, if you're just not feeling yourself, if you're not having a good day, you just have to sit down. Even if you can't sit down, stand up. Just go somewhere where you're private, go somewhere in front of people. Kind of just, you know, plug your ears and just and then go 1, 2, 3, let's go. That's what I do. That's what keeps me relaxed. That's what keeps me having a good mindset. I just go 1, 2, 3, let's go, let's get it, let's have a great day. If I'm not having a good day in the morning, or even at night, I'll just sit down, or aside from people, or I'll go outside, or I'll leave for my friends, or something, and I'll just, alright, let's get it, let's have a great day. Sometimes I know it's not that easy. Sometimes you are really just having a bad day, and sometimes you just have to let the time pass. You know, sometimes it's going to take a day or two, or even a week or two, or even a month. Sometimes even a year, you know. Sometimes you just need that time to heal, that time to make yourself better. Sometimes you just need to take a step back from life and work on yourself and make yourself better and do all the things that you need to do for yourself instead of worrying about, you know, what this person's doing or what they're doing or what he's doing with her and what she's doing with him and all this kind of stuff. Sometimes you just need to step back and go, this is my life and I want it to be great. So let's get it. Just 1, 2, 3, let's get it. That's honestly, it's the simplest way I can put it. I know it's really not that easy to just go 1, 2, 3, let's get it. But sometimes you just have to take a step back, pause, take a few deep breaths, and go, what do I want? What do I want? What will make me happy? And then work for it. If getting food will make you happy, go get some food. If getting money will make you happy, go work. Go do what you want to do. If creating your business will make you happy, go create your business. Go have some fun. Go do anything that you want to do. That's all that you have to do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it was a little bit like deep, I guess, but I hope you guys have an amazing day and are staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios.